Welcome back guys. Today we'll be learning how you can make your first game with the help of JavaScript. That's gonna be a random number guessing game. So let's begin. First of all, we need to generate a random number. Now you're gonna define the variable that stands for how many chances the user actually have for guessing the number, and you're gonna set it to 0 by default. And you're gonna also make a variable called win or lose. That means has the person won the game or lost. So now guys, you're gonna make a while loop. Alright. So you're gonna say while chances are less than 5. That means you're gonna only allow the user to have 5 chances. Alright. Now you have to make curly brace like this to get into the while loop statement. And now you're gonna take an input infinitely from the user. So you're gonna say let user input. So guys, we can take the input from the user in history. Alright. Now you're gonna make the if condition. Alright. That's gonna be if user input equals to the secret number, you have won the game. Okay. You're gonna also break out of the loop. Also guys, you're gonna do one more thing. You're gonna increment the chances plus equals to 1, and one more thing, you're gonna say win or lose equals to win, because here's the one won the game, right? Equals to true. Alright, now we're gonna say second condition, else if. Alright, you're gonna say user input is greater than the secret number. So you can say the number is larger than the guess, so please reduce the number. Alright, and we're gonna again increment the chances plus equals to 1. Alright, we're gonna add another else if condition, else if. We're going to come out of the loop, and then we're gonna define a condition that if win or lose equals to true, and then we're gonna put this inside the parenthesis. Okay, then we're gonna say congratulations, you have won the game in. Then we're gonna concatenate it with the number of chances plus time. Alright, and guys, that's how simple it is to make a guessing game in JavaScript. Now let me show you how you can run this game. Alright, so first of all, you need to obviously copy the code, because you cannot run it in a direct IDE like this. You need to configure it otherwise, and you need to open up any web browser so you can run it in the console terminal. Alright, by the way guys, this S over here is capital. Alright, so guys, to run our program, first you have to copy it. You have to come into any browser and paste the code over here in the console. Okay, once you press enter, it's gonna ask please enter your guess number, and for the testing purposes we are printing the randomly generated number as 6 here. Alright, that means every time you run it, it's gonna print a new number. So as you can see, the next time I run it, it's printing out 0 for me. So it's randomly generating the number, and it's asking me please enter your guess number. So if I say 1, it's gonna say number is larger, please reduce this. Again, if I say 1, if I say 2, if I say 3, if I say 4, you can see you lose the game since you're out of chances because you did not guess it correct. Now if I just come back, put the same arrow up again, and I can run the program again. Alright, now I'm gonna say, so as you can see, the new guess number is 2. So I'm gonna say 1 is gonna show me number is smaller. I'm gonna say 0, number is smaller, number is larger as I say 4, number is larger as I say 3. Now if I say 2, you can see congratulations, you have won the game in 5 times. Alright, you can just add the space of 5 times here. And guys, if you want, you can even customize this by adding the alert command on the JavaScript code, so that you can just show a new pop-up coming from the web page on the top that you have won the game. Alright, so to do that, what you can say is just come over here and say alert, you have won the game. So that's gonna do this. So that's gonna do the same exact thing, but just show you in a graphical method. More of such interesting and amazing content in the future like this, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share on the YouTube channel. So till then, bye and have a good day.